First, go to zoom.us. Then in the right top corner, you see sign up for free. You introduce your email and they will send you a confirmation email. You go to your inbox and then click on activate account. After that, you just have to put your name and last name and choose a password. You can skip this step. And after that, on the bottom, install the Chrome extension or Firefox if you use Firefox. This is important because it will allow you to follow links that will take you directly to a meeting. Then go back to the Zoom homepage, go to Solutions, then Meetings on the top. Scroll down a bit and you will see Download Zoom Client for Meetings. You install this as any other program and it will take you here where you put your username, which is your email, and the password. Once you're there, you go to Contacts on the top, Add Contact, and you type in my email, alejandro@spanishlessons.tech. Once you've done that, I will accept your request, and that's it for now. Let's go over the different kind of things you can do to start a meeting. The first one is to go to Meetings under the menu at the bottom, and if your email is the same in Zoom and in the booking, you will have the option to start a meeting right there. This is the window for meeting in Zoom, and you can see at the bottom you have the option to share the screen, and on the bottom at the left you can change the input of the microphone and your webcam. So if there is sound issues, that's the place to go. Another option is just to go to your contacts and select the one you want to meet with. Click on it and it will start a room. Then you have to share the link with him. And the last one is to go to the Start menu and simply start a new meeting with or without video. However, the most comfortable way is to go to your email when you book a lesson with me and follow the link I provide you. Another option is to add the lesson to your calendar, which will automatically add an event with a link to the meeting.